Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing so good today. I thought I would do a video as little man is currently asleep in his bed behind me, so I thought I would jump on here and take the time to actually do this video. If you're new here, I'm Roxanne. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Obviously, if you are returning to my channel, thank you. Hello, welcome back. Anyway, today I'm going to be doing a review of a jewellery brand. I say it's a review, it is a review, but it's of a single product because, to be honest, the cost of these, I personally can't afford to buy a load of jewellery from this company, although I would love to. From the looks of them, they are gorgeous, so I'm so excited that I've actually been able to invest in a piece of jewellery from there, and that, as you can see from the title, is from STAXX. So if you don't already follow this influencer, it's Sophie Floyd, and she has done a collaboration with this brand, which is why I discovered them in the first place. But then when I did a bit more research, I found that they're very sustainable with their makings of jewellery. So they use recycled gold, they use recycled silver, their packaging is sustainable, you can obviously recycle everything. So they are very earth conscious, which I think is a real pro at the moment for me. I think that's really important. So yeah, I keep waffling, I always waffle in every video. So I thought what I would do, because I haven't tried it on, I thought I would just do an honest opinion on whether I think their jewellery is actually worth the money, and I'll show you what I've bought, and hopefully it will give you a bit of insight into their jewellery. To be honest, that's kind of the whole point of this video. So anyway, so this is what the box came in, by the way. So it says STAXX on the front. Obviously I'm going to recycle this, but I thought I would show you. So this is what it comes looking like, and then the jewellery comes in a box like this that has STAXX on the front, and it's obviously embossed in there. So when you open it up, take out the paper, and then the jewellery comes in that. So I have already taken it out, and it come in a little, well, the clasp come in a little bag, because I bought the Lord and Ava necklace, which I'll insert here for you so you can actually view, but I'm going to try it on. So I thought we could try it on together. This is what the Lord and Ava necklace looks like. I'll give you a bit of information about it, but essentially I bought this one. I actually wanted a different necklace, but they ran out of stock because they had a huge spring sale on, so that's why I got this one instead. But I thought this was beautiful, and I do love like the T-bar and the extra pendant, because you can buy these separately, but I thought I may as well get the necklace that has them both on. And what I can do is take this off and just wear it as a T-bar if I wanted to, because it clips. It's like a little, as you can see, it's got like a little clasp, so this actually comes off if I wanted it to come off, so I could actually just wear it as the T-bar. So yeah, that is the necklace. Let me tell you a bit about it before I try it on. The Lord and Ava necklace, the statement 18 karat gold plated Lord necklace, features our signature 45mm long vintage E-Tech T-bar and beautiful scattered paved large Ava pendant. Makes a stunning unique collar from day to night. Layer with your STAXX favourites for a signature look. Inspired by simplicity with a twist, the requisite collection, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but hopefully I am, explores the basics within without being basic. The needs and wants of any jewellery lover's collection, and staple pieces for anyone exploring the delight of creativity in expressing their individual style. Okay, the details. So the necklace is 18 karat gold plated. So this part, and then the pendant, the Ava pendant, is 18 karat gold plated. 18 karat gold plated brass dog clasp sterling silver pendant. That is just a whole load of things to say, but I'll put it all in the description for you, and I'll also put the link for you if you're interested. But yeah, so far it's actually really quite weighty. It looks really good quality. I love the colour of it. I love gold personally. I love rose gold. Obviously my Bulgari is rose gold, but I do prefer gold to silver on me, because obviously my skin tone, I feel like silver really washes me out, so I prefer gold. I love gold jewellery. So, but I do have obviously my wedding rings platinum. So on here, obviously it clasps at the back, and it has this extension, so if you want it longer you can, so you can do it as long as you like. You can put it on as long as you like. Obviously, to make it super long if you're wearing a really low top, or you can make it as short. I prefer it a bit shorter because obviously my tops aren't that low. But if I was wearing like a low top, then I would 100% go a bit lower, but I'm going to try it on because I'm super excited about wearing this. I'm going to put it on the lowest, the first hoop, because I want it a bit shorter. So this is what it looks like on. I love the look of it. I've got a mirror there, by the way. Love the look of it. I think it looks really quite edgy, but you can obviously take this off and make it look really quite sophisticated if you want it to. I really do like the pendant and the T-bar combo. I think it's really quite sweet, but you can buy them separately if you wanted to. I think it's really lovely. I think it's really a really nice weight. Before their discount, because obviously I got mine in their spring sale, this is worth £115, but in their 25% off spring sale I got it for £86.25, so that's a very good discount, to be honest. So I think it's very much worth that. I think it's definitely an investment piece, especially because it's 18 karat gold plated. It's not like it's, you know, just cheap metal. It genuinely is created with care. It's sustainable, it's weighty, it looks great, and I think it looks super cool with like just like a simple vest. Yeah, I think it looks really nice. So yeah, I hope you found that useful. I would definitely check them out if you're looking for jewellery or anything like that. They're 100% worth actually going to have a look at. They do some really beautiful pieces, from earrings, rings, necklaces. I always struggle with rings because I find that I can never find rings that fit my fingers because I have quite small fingers. So I've never tried them, but their earrings look really great, so that's maybe something I will invest in the future. I think their hoops look really nice. That is it. I hope you found this video useful. I actually think they're I haven't obviously tried loads of pieces, so I can't, you know, say for every single one of their pieces of jewellery, but this is really beautiful and I'm very happy that I have it. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.